Hi, sir. So please state your elective and provide a brief overview.
Alright, so the elective that I'm teaching is Events Management or EVENTMA.
What prompted you to take or teach this elective?
Alright, so the reason why I'm actually teaching this course or this program basically is because I'm a hospitality major. So we really specialize in events management and people management.
Okay, so what are the characteristics a student must have in order to ace this elective?
So in order for a student to actually ace this elective is that you need to have like people skills, you need to have your leadership skills, and at the same time, comm skills.
Okay. What can students mainly take away from the elective that you're teaching?
Learning to do events outside of the campus, because we're actually for a lot of students in DLSU, they already know how to do events inside the campus with all the documentations and stuffs, but of course with regards to doing the event outside or doing a bigger event, I think it's possible for them to learn a thing or two.
How can the elective help students build their career and personal development?
Well, basically, the elective can help the students mainly because number one, it helps you learn how to manage events. And when it comes to corporates or when it comes to corporations or companies, diba, we always have to do events. So it's one of the main reasons why this elective is really good. Because if you think about it, diba, sometime in the future, even if you become like the best or even if you become like the owner or the CEO of the company, you still have a chance to know how events work, and it gets easier for you to get your suppliers, to get basically to know that you're not being duped.
What certain tips can you provide to your students, current and future students, regarding this elective?
Enjoy the subject. Enjoy the course.
I sure did though, guys. Lastly, what do you find the most interesting about this elective?
What's most interesting is that, and actually I've already said it, because students get to learn things not just inside the campus, inside the classroom, but also outside, doing the events, enjoying seeing basically the people that are actually attending your event, seeing them happy. It makes me happy as well, and I'm sure that the students are happy as well when they or when they see the people dun sa mismo event na masaya din sila.
Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.